So this is just so super cool. This is what I freaking love about being in this business. I mean, look at these JFK. These are patches and coins and gold coins. This guy must have been collecting for a long time. The problem is, and I talk about this all the time, is like people bring in all this kind of stuff. You have no time to go through every single thing to see what it is and what it's worth. I mean, I negotiated like a Jimmy Carter, it's a big old pendant. So there's a whole bunch of presidential pendants in here, a whole bunch of Olympic stuff. Like these are the commemorative pins from the 1984 Olympics. There's 2 sets of these, pretty cool. Look at this pin, a 1977 Los Angeles, Russia pin. He said there was like a convention in LA for Russian, and so these are like all medallions supporting Armenia. So you can see on the back, made in the USSR. Those are cool, super cool. So the book to value all these came out in 1972, so those are pre-72. This is a gold bicentennial commemorative coin. That was super cool. These are Olympic commemorative coins from the 21st Olympiad in Canada from 1978. These are real silver. So these are legal tender in Canada, and they're real silver. And so there's about $100 of the silver right there. So that was a good deal. Look at these old Olympic books and brochures, the Summer Olympic Games, the official '84 Olympic program, more Kennedy stamps. Listen, I'm gonna rip through some of this stuff. If anybody thinks something has value that I'm missing here, I'm not sure what this is worth, and I don't have time to look up 450 items at once. Now there's some kind of cool stuff in here. So these are pins. So this is the space shuttle pin. This is the Columbia pin. So the Columbia is a space shuttle that blew up.
Oh yeah.
So that's a pin from then. Return of the Jedi pin. Archie Bunker, tell it like it was pin. That's kind of cool. Archie Bunker. Clean air smells funny. Not sure about that one, but you know, it's all pretty cool. These are medallions from the 13 original states in bronze. So this value is about $200 on this set right here. Mint and box, beautiful box. So $200 on that. This is Mary Lou Retton. When I was a young, and I used to have a crush on Mary Lou Retton there. This is, what year is this from? 1984, right? Here, look at Olympics, 84 Olympics, 84 Olympics. So right here is Bette Midler. So this is from a movie called The Rose. And then this is the original movie poster. It's never been hung up. The original movie poster for The Rose and the book. So the value of these two together are about $100. 1977 Film Festival. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Somebody want that. This is the brochure, the order form for the Olympics, for the 1984 LA Olympics. Carl Lewis on a Time magazine, that's pretty cool. 72 Olympics, Olympic turmoil. Why the Soviets said niet. You know what niet means? No, they said they're not coming to America to participate. Should we boycott the Olympics? That's cool. A Star is Born, Nadia Comaneci. Remember her? Yeah. That's a cool one right there. Newsweek with Nadia. Here's Miss Piggy on TV Guide. Jim Henson and the Muppets. Those are pretty cool. This one I think is super cool. What year is this from? 1979. Newsweek with Superman on it. Look at that. We got to get that bad boy framed. Oh yeah, that's Princess Carrie Fisher. Princess Leia, yeah. Look at, no, okay now. Okay, here's an old comic book, but look at this. Okay, Walter Cronkite, right? You know Walter Cronkite, right? So this is Newsweek after Cronkite, must be after he retired in 1981, but this is his book. I mean, his records, the way it was in the 60s, autographed by Walter Cronkite. Autographed, so, and there's 2 copies of them. It's a whole bunch of sheet music from a long time ago. I don't even know, 1904. The Southern Rose. Okay, that's an Andy Warhol. That's just coming kind of out of magazine. I mean, how old is that magazine? That is old. Showboat? I don't even know how old that thing would be. I don't think sheet music is worth much anymore, to tell you the truth. And these are they said these are some old newspapers from like 1800s, 1850s. Yeah. That one says 1889. He sold all this to me. This is a soccer book from the 60s from England. It's just pretty cool. I don't think it's very popular here in the USA, but I would think over in England that would be really cool. Look at this, the official music of the 23rd Olympics. That's kind of cool. That's in good shape too. These ones here, let's look at this. All right, so Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, that's pretty cool. That's in good shape too. Here we go, Newsweek. Battlestar Galactica, is that Battlestar Galactica? Yeah, Battlestar Galactica. Return of the Jedi, that's super cool, good shape. Okay, look at this, Beatlemania. The play Beatlemania. I would think that would, so there was a play on Broadway called Beatlemania, and here's the playbill and the book that goes with it. That's it. Super cool old collection. You know, I ended up getting $400 store credit for it. So we're gonna have to eventually research each and every one of these items to figure out maybe if we got, you know, a piece of gold in here that we just don't know about, right? Who knows what the value of some of this stuff is, right?